First and foremost, I think proximity is a huge pro when it comes to the official Universal Orlando hotels. So, as you can imagine, this is a benefit for a couple different reasons, but just being able to hop in and out of the parks conveniently, I think, of course, in life you pay for location, right? Well, when it comes to Universal Orlando Hotel, you really do get to essentially, in a lot of cases, just walk right to the parks if you do choose. Now, the other important reason, why we want to keep this in mind is if you're closer to the parks, then maybe you don't have to worry about going and renting a car. Now, of course, just like that sounds, that's important for a couple different reasons. First and foremost, it allows you to, kind of ball out on a budget, right? If you don't want to spend the money on a car, you don't have to go and rent that car. But then also, again, from a convenience standpoint, there's, you have to go to the car to go check in to get the car. You have to go then make sure you fill it up with gas on the way back to the hotel. There are just so many moving parts that come with that. Like if you're looking for just, hey, the easiest, most convenient, everyone has the best time possible, including the parents. If you are the parents watching this video, then you might not want to go and rent the car.